16 years of advanced quality and perfect details. ShengYao Audio focus on production of high to mid-end audio cabinet. Since its establishment in 2008, focusing on audio cabinet production and supporting services, ShengYao is always on the path towards specialization and extraordinary. Mature team with high-quality materials and advanced equipment brings better service to customers. We are constantly improving our production capacity and upgrading our services. Constructed a 20,000 square meter modern factory with annual capacity of 150,000 speaker boxes. Our products have been delivered to more than 20 countries around the world. ShengYao have brought in advanced equipment and production lines, including automatic CNC machines, American polyurea spraying equipment, automatic spraying and drying lines, audio assembly lines, and professional testing equipment to meet client needs in all aspects. In the past 16 years, we have always insisted on the strategy of quality first, establishing an industry-leading technical team and strictly following the ISO 9001 quality management system. From R&D, material selection, manufacturing, quality testing, to completed product, we make each process traceable and to achieve the ultimate. Whether it's professional audio or home audio, we are striving to excellent quality. We make extraordinary because we value the customer's needs. From R&D and design, matching accessories, program modifications, ShengYao always provide customers with better solutions. We provide OEM and ODM customized services for famous audio brands at home and abroad. With on-time delivery, excellent quality and attentive service, ShengYao Audio has been recognized as the best supplier by our customers for several years and awarded top 10 brand enterprises by HC360.com for 6 years. We take our social responsibility and always focus on environmental requirements in our production and facilities. As one of the few companies who obtained the industry's environmental protection license in Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau Greater Bay Area. 16 years of extraordinary road, ShengYao Audio always service to peers with craftsmanship. In the future, we will continue to make unremitting efforts to help China's audio industry surpass the world and promote the audio manufacturing industry to a new height of finer and more outstanding.